So I've already shown you how to use SpeedGrader to grade assignments on the desktop. And if you're looking for the most robust way of grading an assignment in Canvas, then definitely using SpeedGrader in a desktop setting is the way to go. But if you're on the go and you do need to mark up some of the things that your students have turned in, and you plan on adding additional comments later, there is a SpeedGrader app that you can acquire on iOS. So I have it here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. You'll notice it shows my Canvas courses, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the Sandbox course where I've got a couple of papers that I can grade. So I'm going to click on or tap on Example Assignment here. And Beth and Narisha were nice enough to submit assignments to me. And so I'm going to go ahead and mark up this particular paper the same way as you might do it on SpeedGrader for the desktop. Now, I'll let you know right now I'm not going to have as many options in terms of the comments available to me or anything like that, but it is a good way to just kind of maybe keep track of what you're trying to accomplish. So, if you're on the go and you do want to just mark something up so you remember, oh, I need to highlight this later, or I need to circle this later, or whatever, then this is a good way to kind of just keep that train of thought going. So you'll notice when you first open up the assignment, you're going to be brought to a student's, and you have the option to either zoom in or out. As we can see in the upper left corner there, I can zoom in more and more. I can zoom out more and more. And then if I want to add a comment, I just tap the icon for the little word bubble with the plus. And then I tap anywhere in the assignment that I'd like to add that comment. So I'm going to add it right here at Fake Assignment. And let's assume this is exactly what I was looking for. I would write exactly. All right, awesome. If for whatever reason you don't want to do it here, you want to download it, you can click on the Download tab there, and you can either download the file or you can download this as an annotated PDF, which will include any and all comments. All right, so here I can add in another comment if I want to. There we go. Another comment. Okay. And then if I want to share this with a compatible app, which clearly I don't have, I can tap on the share button in the upper right corner. And then also if you need to assign a grade, you'll notice there's this semicircle with 3 dots in it on the right hand side. If you tap on that, then this is going to tell you additional details for this assignment. You can leave comments, or you can also just assign a grade to it. So I could assign the grade to Beth, I could save, it would send that grade to Beth, and then I'll close that up. And when I'm ready to move on to the next student, I can tap on Beth's name, and I can move on to Narisha. And that would allow me to then go into the next student, and here I can actually hop into Narisha's paper, and I can also mark it up if I need to. So you'll notice there aren't as many features in this version of SpeedGrader compared to what we see in the desktop. But again, the point of this is you're on the go, you just need to do something quick, you need to annotate and leave comments for yourself so you know what you want to actually write up later, and this will ultimately allow you to do that, at least until you can get back to a desktop. All right, so that is the SpeedGrader app on iOS.